The 2005 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, passenger airbag, CD player, intermittent wipers, front disc and rear drum brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.